So, hey people, we're just being now inside. We've been busy the whole day, driving from one spot to another. Whoa, there will be some explosion. From one spot to another spot, being busy the whole time, uploading videos, making videos, recording a lot. It's getting closer, and quite busy. Hello baby, what are you doing?
Temple run too. It's really intense.
Intense? Can I see? Can we all see?
I died.
What happened?
I got fried.
Oopsies, what's that?
Creature chasing me.
Hello people, we're now on the way to Maribor, and we did first some spots. It went okay. Some spots were not really that easy to get to, and the road was not really like that great. And right now we're then going to Maribor to get me a train ticket, because my stupid ass forgot to tell my fiance's mom to well, she's there anyways to get the ticket, so we're going there now. And here's my baby bear driving really well. Oh, not baby bear.
Yeah. There's some stupid ass people who wanna get killed.
I know, like those high school people walking on the road, or that one lady just going on the roundabout without looking. I mean,
I don't know.
How much is it? It's -3. Oh god. I mean, it's not -3, but it used to be -2, then more than -10, and now it's -3.
We could look in the big bank if they have something for in the car for holding the camera.
True, we can look, yeah, but I mean, what will that actually do? I mean, normally we're together or not.
Yeah, but then when you point like this at me, and if I wanna talk, it's better to have it like this.
Oh, like this?
Yeah. Yeah, now you don't know if I'm in frame or not.
Yeah, you're in the frame.
You know? Or if we have it like that, maybe both of us could be visible or something.
Oh, I don't know. This is more comfortable.
We can look or not.
That's true. That is true. But getting back on what you said earlier, but people in the vlog won't know you said that. But I really won't know what smoothie to get. I will see. Do you have any idea?
Oh, I will get one of the boosters. I think either lift me up or boost me, the thingy that they have. Depending on what they put in. And the road here is horrible because the farmers were doing things.
Yeah.
And then they didn't clean the road. And it's a bit bumpy. Yeah, bitch.
Lord. Well, that's on camera.
I was saying that I don't like driving when there are so many cars around me, because people here drive like idiots, and they're all that in a bag of potato chips. And you never know what someone will do. So I'm getting sweaty palms.
I know.
Because I don't know if someone will cut into my lane or whatever.
I was just thinking, when are you planning to do the thingy with the videos that you wanted to make?
Oh, probably put it up on the Monday or Tuesday, I think. do the other one. I don't know when yet. Maybe on the Friday, because on the Friday I'm you know, home.
That's true. Driving around. There are a lot of tractors like that on the road. Like a lot of them.
I think you will have to talk a bit louder, maybe.
Oh, you think?
Yeah, there's traffic. I don't think you can be heard.
Why not?
Yeah, now you're talking louder.
Okay, it's really free. That's here we are.
Yep. Slow.
Now just hope that nobody comes from the other side.
What's the time now? Now it's 5:5.